Hello and welcome to another episode of Ken Training, where we want to give you, the YouTube audience, the training that you need to tackle projects like this one on your own. Today's project is going to be flushing and cleaning the condensate drain line on this AC coil, which is on top of this pane furnace. So we have the furnace right in back of us. We have the main condensate drain line. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. We are going to use a bleach water solution to clean it. Because I'm working with bleach, I'm just going to put on some safety glasses so I don't get any splashback into my eyes. This is the bleach that we're going to be using, nothing more than household bleach. And what we've done is inside of this old drinking container, we put a solution of 75% water and 25% of bleach. So we're going to pour this with the funnel into the drain line. I'm going to put a shop vac on the other end also to kind of suck it out too. So we're going to flush it out a couple of times, and let's get to it. Okay, so we're at the furnace, which is right here. This is the AC coil here. This is the primary drain line, which is 3/4 of an inch PVC, 3/4 of an inch. You can see that they, and by the way, this is under positive pressure, not negative pressure, because the blower motor is underneath us. This is an upflow furnace. So what's happening is that this section of the furnace, or A coil, is in a positive pressure configuration. There's no P-trap here, and it's all glued in tight. But I want to flush this line out. We have an easy trap here for the secondary drain line. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the top of the easy trap and just set that off to the side. We're going to take a funnel and we're going to put that funnel right inside there, and we are going to take our bleach and water solution and we are going to pour it gently into our funnel, going into our trap here, going into the system here, and we're going to the way that this bleach and water solution, it's going to go into the pan and then back out the primary drain line. So this is what's happening. So by using the bleach and water solution, we are disinfecting and cleaning the bottom of the pan as well as the entire drain, the primary drain line. So we're cleaning the entire system out by doing this. So I want to go through probably 3 bottles like this. So first, let me go ahead and do this one here. And right now I don't have my shop vac going outside. So I'm just simply draining it down here. And I don't want to go too crazy because I can overflow the pan on the inside and water could flow inside the unit. So I want to go at like a measured pace here when I do this. So I'm kind of going and then I'm kind of waiting a little bit to allow the water to drain out the drain line. So right there is my entire bottle. This bottle here is 33.8 fluid ounces. Now let's go outside and let's see if we see it leaving the house. Okay, it's taken a couple of minutes, but now we actually have the water is starting to drain out, which is what I wanted to see. So I am going to go ahead and get my shop vac going and get it on this pipe because I want to suck out under a vacuum and do another batch just to try to clean this out. Okay, I have my shop vac ready to go. This is the PVC drain line that's coming from the furnace. The installer of this PVC drain line hard glued the 90-degree elbow to the 90-degree pipe right there. So when I turn this, I cannot take this out. I wish that I could, because then I could take this and push it right on. But I can't. And look at how close the distance is from the cement walkway to the 90-degree elbow. So what I have to do is I have to try to cup this as close as I can to get as much suction out of that pipe because of the way that the guy installed it. There's nothing I can do about that at this point in time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my shop vac on. I'm going to turn this unit on while my partner is inside the house pouring in that bleach and water solution. We're going to do that so I can just try to really clean out this line as much as possible with using the shop vac, so it's a more aggressive way to help clean out this line. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so we have the shop vac here, and I'm going to show you what I got out of it. I'll pour it right over here nice and slowly so you can see exactly what's going to come out. So you see that, everybody? That's how dirty that system was that we just cleaned. So just wanted to show you what it looked like, what came out of the system. Okay, so now that we have flushed out, we did 3 containers of this with the bleach and water solution. So now that we've done that, the shop vac is off outside the house. We're done there. Let's put this back to normal over here. So I'm going to take out the funnel that we used just to pour the bleach and water solution down into the pan and out the drain line. And now I'm going to put this is a float switch. You can check out one of my other videos that shows how to install this overflow float switch, which is a safety shutoff. You can see how to install one of these if you like on one of my other videos. And I'm just going to put that in, make sure that it's good, and it is good, and that is good to go. Alright, that is going to conclude this video on flushing out your condensate drain line for your AC coil for your AC unit at your house. And if you got any value out of this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, Ken Training. Check out my series of other videos that I have on this subject. I will catch you on the flip side.